Okay, so last time that we had our TLE subject, we discussed about safe and responsible use of ICT. So medyo marami-rami pinag-aralan natin last time, ano? Kaya medyo mahaba-habangan yung ating review. So anyone who can tell me what does ICT mean? Anyone? Sige, open mic agad. Tapos ano?
Computer.
Nope. There's no computer in ICT. There's no hindi computer ibig sabihin ng C. What does ICT mean? And do you have your TLE notebook beside you?
Opo.
Siyempre pag nagkaklase tayo, dapat katabi niyo yung ang notebook niyo para pag nagkaklase, nakakapag-jot down kayo. Diba? Okay, so nadagal tayo, no? ICT, pinag-aralan natin nung last time. The other week, ICT means information and communications technology. Okay, in a very simple definition, ICT is any technology. Okay, it's any technology that has something to do with information and communications. So samples of ICT, magbigay kayo sa akin example, kahit isa man lang. CJ, any example of ICT? CJ, cite an example, kahit isa lang. Wala? Ang dami-daming examples ng ICT. Tell me at least one. Ano yung ginagamit mo ngayon para sa ating online class?
Cellphone.
Si Sofia na sumagot. Another example, CJ. Sige, ikaw magsabi ng example. Come on, guys. I'm trying to give you time. I'm trying to give you a chance to recite. Tigi-tigi sa kayo ng examples. Come on.
Laptop po.
Laptop, that's correct.
Computer.
Computer from... Sino sabi ng computer? Bukod kay Kino.
Ako po.
RG. Okay, CJ and Daniel, give me an example of ICT. Nan? Ang daming examples ng ICT.
Ay, TV.
TV, right, TV. PS4 is also an ICT. Oh yeah, Daniel, tama yun. Internet. CJ, wala? Wala talagang maisip? Lastly, Kazaya.
Tablet.
Tablet, right. So, So, examples of ICT are, so yan, radio. Ang radio is also an example of ICT. Television, tama yung sabi nyo kanina. Cell phones, or tablets, iPads, computer, laptops, satellite system, and many more. So, we also learned about Wiki. So Wiki is a server program of collaborated online work of people. So nanggaling yung word na wiki sa wiki, which means fast sa Hawaiian language. So ginawa lang siyang wiki para maging shorter lang siya. Okay, so there are two kinds of wiki websites. Okay, who can tell me one? At least one. Open mic na agad, unahan na kung sinong Okay, tell me one, at least one. Wiki website has two kinds.
Nakalimutan ko yung
Yes, Kino.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia is an example. So, ano yung kinds? There are just two kinds of wiki websites. O, di ba? Nakalimutan na kagad. Is this from the other week? So, dalawa lang yan. Yung isa, kailangan ng permission. Yung isa, hindi kailangan ng permission.
Nandito
diba?
na lang.
So the two kinds of wiki websites are yung first,
Kasi.
websites where the contributors can put and organize information by themselves without asking permission from someone. So in short nga, no need for any permission. Habang isa naman, these are websites where there is an assigned person. Yung system administrator niya. Merong system administrator na kailangan pang mag-approve ng inyong mga ipinasok na information sa certain wiki page. Okay? So ito nga example ay Wikipedia. Wikipedia ay pwede kang magpasok ng mga information mo. But it has to be reliable. Okay, we also learned how to create a wiki page. So there are 5 steps. So ano yung first step on creating a wiki page? First step.
Magawa po ng account.
Sign in.
Nope. That's the second step. Second step na yun kay Keynote and kay Sofia.
Research po.
Yes, that's right. Research. So you have to research first. And then you have to create an account. Yan, yung kay Kino and kay Sofia. So, siyempre kung makapag-create ka na account, pwede ka na mag-sign in. Diba? And of course, you have to practice kasi mas maganda siyempre kung ma-practice mo muna yung pag-i-edit ng information from the other users. Fourth, share useful information and cite the source para makaiwas ka sa plagiarism issue. So you have to give credit to the owner of the information kung halimbawa yung information na kuha mo ay may pinangkuhanan kang iba. Kung hindi mo sarili yung information, you have to cite or you have to give credit sa pinagkuhanan mo from the source. Okay. So sa fifth nga, once you're done with everything from step 1 to 4, so you might want to review your work and make sure that there is no mistake in the information that you will share. And if so, pwede mo na siyang i-submit. So submit the page. Okay? Okay, so meron din tayong we also learned about blog or weblog. Tama? So weblog is a website that seems to be an ordinary diary. So it's a kind, medyo influencing yan, kasi pagka nagbabasa tayo ng blog or weblog, madalas yung mga nakakabasa niyan, ginagaya niya or nai-influence siya nung writer or the author of the said blog or the said article. Meron tayong so ito example nga, si Panlasang Pinoy. Panlasang Pinoy ay isang Filipino blog site kung saan si Vanjo Merano ang mismong author nito. At sinishare niya ang kanyang mga Filipino recipes. Yan. So there are different blog sites found on the internet. So meron tayong mga examples nga ay Blogspot. Sino pa pwede magbigay ng example ng blog sites? So ito na yung una, Blogspot or Blogger. I gave you a lot of examples, parang 6 examples yata yung binigay ko sa inyo. So at least one, makapagbigay kayo ng isang blog site. One guys.
Nagbablog yung ng mga laro.
Okay. I'm asking for blog site kung saan ka pwede magpasok
YouTube.
No, YouTube is a video naman na pinapasok dun eh. Yun naman vlog naman nun. V as in victory. Not B as in boy or beta.
Website.
Saan ka pwedeng magpasok ng iyong mga vlog? Not vlog iba yung vlog sa blog. Kasi pag sinabi yung blog, it is a written article. While vlog, yung article
Sir,
instead of writing it down and uploading it and sharing it to the website, ang gagawin mo naman, i-video mo siya. That's vlog. Pero this time, it's written.
Sir, ano po ulit yung meaning ng vlog? Sinusulat ko po kasi.
Okay. Sige. So there you go. The blog is a website that seems to be an online diary. Written yan, written ang blog. Pero pwede rin siyang may video, pwede rin siyang may pictures. But hindi pwedeng mawawala ang texts. Kasi blog is usually an article talaga. Ang blog pwedeng walang image, pwedeng walang video, pero hindi pwedeng mawala ang text. Done? Sophia?
Opo.
Okay. Anyway, pwede nyo, ito naman kasi ini-upload ko, no? Ina-upload ko sa YouTube ko. Kaya pwede nyo siyang balik-balikan.
Baka po kasi di kumana.
Gagana yun. Okay, balikan natin yung ano, no? Before we continue with our review. Okay, so right now, I'm nasa Google
Sir,
Classroom ako.
iwan ko lang po yung TLE notebook ko.
So nakikita nyo yung aking Google Classroom, ano? Sa Google Classroom, you have to click classwork. Okay? Click classwork. Tapos nandito ang ito, safe and responsible use of ICT. Yan. Meron dito ang TLE 6, lesson 2. Nandiyan ang inyong what's this? Lesson material. So yan. Tapos yung inyong mga videos, makikita sa YouTube ko. Just don't know what wala rito ngayon. Ito. Diba? So if you're going to open it up, click nyo lang yan. Yung lesson natin last time, dyan yung mapapanood. Tapos kung halimbawa meron kayong kailangan isulat, pwede nyo balik-balikan dito using gamit yung ating video record ng online class. Ito na yan, TLC Lesson 2, Safely and Responsible Use of ICT. Diba? So makita yung sarili nyo dyan, ayan na. And dito ko rin nakikita yung inyong behavior at the same time. Nakikita ko dyan kung nagpapatay ba kayo ng camera, kung nakikinig ba kayo, hindi, o bigla kayo nagtatawanan. So dyan ko nakikita yon. So meron akong proof kung ano yung ginagawa nyo during online class. Okay, anyway. So ito, no, nakapost dito, Yman and Kiss posted a new assignment. So posible hindi nyo kita yan. Ang question dito is, what are the online tools that can be used in gathering information? Okay, let's going back to with our lesson. Nasa review pa lang tayo, no? Wala pa tayo sa mismong lesson proper. So examples nga of yung mga blog sites na pwede natin puntahan ay yung Blogspot, Blogger. Ito naman is WordPress. Ang tawag dito, WordPress. Next is Tumblr. T-U-M-B-L-R, Tumblr. Isa pang example is Wix. Meron akong sariling blog dito sa Wix. Okay, that's wix.com. Pwede rin LinkedIn. LinkedIn is LinkedIn. LinkedIn. At yung W is Weebly. Weebly is W-E-E-B-L-Y. Weebly. So those are the examples of blog sites. And of course, just like in creating a wiki page, you also need a reason in creating your own blog. And this may be because you want to help other internet users through putting information online, or you just want to share your experiences. At meron din tayong steps in creating a blog. Okay? So the first, okay, nandito kagad tayo sa video conference. So the video conference refers to talking to people through video functions by the use of two-way video and audio transmissions. So it is usually seen on television and especially in news program 24 oras yan. Let's say Mike Enriquez, the news anchor na nasa loob ng studio, nakikipag-usap siya sa mga reporter na nasa field naman. So yun, video conference ang ginagawa nila. And there are three main kinds of video conference. Okay? Ang three main kinds of video conference are P2P or point-to-point. Yan. Point-to-point of single call. Malito. Dapat ito ay point-to-point or single call, not off. Okay? So it is a direct connection between two locations. So halimbawa, ako, tumawag ako kay Sofia, dalawa lang kami magkausap, ang tawag doon ay P2P. Yan. So dalawa lang kami magkausap doon from two different locations. So next is multi-point. Multi-point is when are three or more persons talk in a video conference. So ito na yung ginagawa natin to. This is a multi-point. Ako ay nakikipag-usap sa inyo through a video conference. At ilan tayo ngayon dito? We are 7. Diba? We are 7 participants lahat-lahat with 7 different locations. So multi-point ang ginagawa natin ngayon. And of course, lastly is streaming. Streaming ay mas marami na, no? When a lot of people talk through remote computer or mobile device. Yan, na gumagamit ng software or hardware na pang-streaming. So di ba, alam mo, nanonood kayo ng mga game stream ng Mobile Legends, di ba? Nagagawa niyo makapag-communicate sa streamer. So ginagawa nyo, nagchat-chat kayo, di ba? Nakikipag-chat kayo sa streamer. Binabasa naman ni streamer yung inyong mga chats. So that's one way of video conferencing. Okay. So maraming examples ng ng video conference applications.
Sir, wait lang po.
So first is a Skype. Another is
Messenger.
Google Meet, yung supposedly gagamitin natin pang video conference. Ito ngayon ginagamit natin Zoom meeting.
Sir, gagamit po ba tayo ng Google Meet?
I don't know. Eventually siguro magagamit tayo ng Google Meet. So dito naman yung next icon na color violet is Microsoft Teams ang tawag dyan. And of course, yung ginagamit natin madalas ay Messenger. Facebook Messenger. Okay. So I think we're going to jump na to sa ating sa ating lesson proper since medyo mahaba-haba Okay, so our lesson 3 is all about gathering and organizing data using the ICT. Okay, so in today's time, sa panahon ngayon, ang internet is considered a very important tool sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. So it is not only used for communication purposes, kaya ngayon, we're communicating to each other. Hindi lang siya pang-communication, So but also ginagamit din sa researching or gathering of information. Okay, so a lot of information can be found online. Kailangan lang talaga maging matyaga kayo sa paghahanap ng mga information na kailangan nyo. Although there are a lot of information on the internet, yung ilan sa mga yon ay kulang sa info at kakaunti ang mga basehan. Kaya naman, just like what I mentioned earlier, kailangan nyo maging matyaga. Be patient in reading, understanding, observing, and choosing widely the information that suits your need. Okay, so there are lots of tools that you may use in gathering information. So yung online tools na sabi ay, ito yung mga tools na ginagamit sa pag-gather o sa pangangalap ng information. And there are different kinds of online tools that you can use. And that was your assignment yesterday. So let's go to CJ. CJ, please read your assignment, please. Come on, wala ka pang recitation.
Sir, Yman sa online tools po.
Yes, 'di ba? Yun ang inyong assignment.
Sir, akin wala pa.
Wala pa? Okay, so that means
Sir, ako po.
walang recitation,
Gagawin ko po mamaya.
walang assignment. Si CJ, I'm asking CJ.
Sige po. Number 1, general search engines. Number 2, specialty search engine. Number 3, Surveys.
Surveys, okay? Meron pa?
Number 4, SEO tools.
SEO,
And
SEO. You have to read it SEO. Number 4. Okay, next is?
Number 5, databases po.
Okay, databases. All right. Thank you, CJ. Ayan na, meron station ka na sa wakas. Sino yung may same answers?
Wala.
Wala.
Kakaiba.
Kakaiba, sige. How about your assignment, Kino? Ano yung naging assignment mo? Tama, no? Tama yung sagot ni CJ. So
yung akin po mali-mali sigurado.
Anyway, kung ano man yung kung na-search nyo, may points pa rin yan. Kasi may assignment kayo. Kung wala kayong snapbit, sorry, that's a 0 out of 10. Okay? Mali mo ng sagot, may points yan. Kasi nag-submit kayo. Okay? So ito na, no? So sabi ko nga, there are lots of there are different kinds of online tools that can be used. So unang-una nga ay search engine. So ito yung mga tools that you may use in researching. Examples: Google, Yahoo, Bing, and many more. Yan, Mozilla Firefox, DuckDuckGo, yan. So yan yung mga ginagamit. Google Chrome, yan. So ginagamit din. So that's the first, search engine is an online tool. Next online tool is surveys. So sinabi ni CJ, surveys. So these are the tools that you use in making an online survey. So example dito ay SurveyMonkey and Google Forms. So yun ang ginagamit sa pag-survey. So another online tools that ito yung tinatawag natin na SEO tools. Not SEO. SEO tools. So these are the tools that you may use to know the analytics or how many visitors you have in your site. So binibilang pala niya kung sino sa mga pumasok sa website mo. Okay, so examples of SEO are GoStats and Google Analytics. Yan. So yun ang mga examples ng SEO tools. Oh, by the way, SEO means Search Engine Optimization. Again, SEO means Search Engine Optimization. Wala sa lecture niyo yan, wala sa lecture niyo. So, optimization.
Demonstration po.
Optimization.
Optimization.
Diba? Optimize. Diba? Optimize. So, the process of optimizing is optimization.
Sir, pwede po yung isulat.
Yes, please. SEO means Search Engine Optimization.
Search engine optimization.
Optimization. Okay, so yung sunod nating online tools. So sinabi rin ni CJ are databases. So these are the tools that you may use to help you know the statistics. So puro mga numbers yan. Statistics. So ito yung mga examples, ano? Airtable, Caspio, American Fact Finder, Zoho Creator. Marami pa yan. Marami pa ibang sample. So ito lang yung ibinigay ko sa inyo. Airtable, Caspio, American Fact Finder, Zoho Creator. Okay, any questions before we proceed?
Loko, madilaw ko pala yung kamay ko gawa ng pinto.
Okay, there's no question? Okay, we're going to proceed now. So,
Babasahin ko pa yun sa akin. Ay, hindi na po.
Actually, I'm going to give you time to read it. Okay, since okay, mamaya sa last 4 minutes tayo. Tandaan nyo guys, 6th graders. Dapat may limitasyon palagi sa paggamit ng internet. Okay? Dapat lagi may limitasyon. Gathering information online gives you a number of benefits. May benepisyo pala yung paggamit ng internet kasi yung advantage kasi niya, you are able to save time and energy. paano ka naman makakasave ng time and energy gamit ang online tools? Kasi, diba, in just a span of time, kahit isang click lang yan, isang pitik lang, you can get the information you need without getting out to your house. Nasa bahay lang kayo, pwede mo rin gawin, nasa bahay lang kayo, pwede kayong mag-research, di ba? And pwede nyo rin gawin outside your house. Pwede kayong lumabas.
Puro online.
As long na meron kayong Wi-Fi.
Opo.
Anyone who knows Wi-Fi means? Wala?
Internet lang alam ko.
Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity. Again, Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity.
Fidelity pa o direct?
Fidelity.
Fidelity.
Yan. Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity. So, yung Y, wireless. Yung Fi, fidelity. Kaya nga dapat Wi-Fi eh. Kasi fidelity, di ba? Wi-Fi pala dapat ang basa ron. It's not Wi-Fi. So, yun ang advantage of using the online tools. You can save time and energy kasi nga kahit nasa bahay ka lang, hindi mo kailangan lumabas, hindi mo kailangan pumunta sa computer shop para makapag-search. Kahit nasa bahay ka lang, as long as you have internet, pwede kang mag-research.
Pwede ka lang pumunta ka na sa Yman.
Gaya na Sophia. Nasa bahay siya pero wala siya sa loob ng bahay, di ba? Nasa terrace yan eh. Diba, liwanag ng likod niya. So, gumagamit siya ng
init po kasi sa loob.
Gumagamit siya ng Wi-Fi. At kahit sa kaunting oras lang, maraming information ka na pwedeng makuha from the internet gamit ang mga online tools na sinabi kanina. Okay, so ano ulit mga online tools?
Online
Search
tools.
engine.
Search engine.
Surveys. CEO tools.
SEO, not CEO.
SEO tools.
SEO tools. And
Databases.
Right. So yun ano. Pero siyempre,
Online tracking.
siyempre naman, kung may advantages, meron ding disadvantages. Okay? So, ang disadvantage you cannot be sure the information you obtain is legitimate or correct. Malito. Legitimate or correct. Yan dapat yan.
Opo.
So, hindi ka lagi nakasisiguro na legit ang mga info na makukuha mo through the internet. Kasi, maraming netizens ang nagpo-post sa internet kahit na wala silang basihan. So that's why hindi lahat-lahat ay dapat mong paniwalaan agad sa mga nakikita mo sa internet. Minsan kasi mga fake news ang mga nakikita natin, di ba? So kailangan ingat tayo doon. Compared to newspapers, di ba? May mga dyaryo tayo. So mostly sa newspapers talaga, bago sila magsulat diyan, may mga basehan sila. Compare sa internet, kahit walang basehan, pinopost. Right? So on Friday, we're going to talk about online survey form, okay? Online survey form tayo pagdating sa Friday. Okay, so Kino, it's your time. It's your turn to read your assignment.
Sir, ihilang po.
Go ahead.
Sir, Yman sa akin magkakaiba.
Okay lang.
Yung ano?
Okay lang, assignment pa rin yan.
Data collecting instrument. Yung pa ba, Sir Yman? O yung isa? Yung ano po? Dito. Yung ways to collect data.
Okay, pwede rin. Basahin mo na rin.
Ito muna, yung collecting instrument pa muna.
Sige, go ahead.
Number 1 ko po, questionnaires. Tapos po, number 2, interviews. Number 3, observation. Number 4, documents and government sources. Number 4, laboratory experiment.